this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be discussing threaded areas and why they are not a problem in the wet blasting process. So the reason that your threaded areas on your pieces are going to be safe is because vapor honing is done with more of a clean by flow rather than a clean by impact like in a dry blast cabinet. So whenever you are blasting in a wet blast cabinet, your water is actually cushioning your abrasives, so it's just scrubbing the surface and skidding off. You also don't have tolerance changes, which is the #1 reason why threaded areas are still safe. You're not damaging them, you're not changing or taking off the metal, you're not embedding abrasive in your metal. It's also not packing in tight areas where it's impossible to get it out. So those are just a few advantages that you see out of the wet blast process that you don't see in other processes that make those threaded areas and sensitive areas really on all parts super safe to blast. And there's no real way to really like ruin a piece with a wet blast cabinet. That's how safe it is. It's even as soft as doing, rubbers and plastics, being able to do those in this cabinet. Now you can get what we call hot spotting in different areas, which is where if you hold the blast gun over one spot or too close for too long, it's gonna make a dark spot appear on the part. Now that's super easy to get out. All you have to do is draw back your gun and go over that spot, a few times for it to level out with the rest of the finish. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call, but threaded areas are super safe with this process. No real way that you can damage those pieces. Our number here is 828-202-5563.